Hi, this is the iPhone 15 Plus and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. So let's first open the control panel and here we should find scan QR codes icon. If you don't see this icon here, that's not a problem, just open first the settings, tap the control center, and for example, you'll find somewhere here called code scanner. Just click to this plus icon. Now code scanner just added to your controls here to the control panel and just tap here to scan QR codes icon. Now we should place our QR code inside of this frame to scan. Just wait a second and now our device automatically opened these QR codes. But be sure first that you are connected to the internet, to mobile data or to the Wi-Fi. So that's it, that's how to scan QR codes with the iPhone 15 Plus. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.